Hi all, welcome back to the Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with a review on Huda Beauty lip kit. Oh my god, I love those lips. What do you think? The box is so good, so cute. The packaging is so pretty. Those popping out teeth are too cute. So this is the Huda Beauty contour and strobe lip set. You get mini of Trophy Wife liquid lipstick, which I have on my lips today, and you will get a lip strobe mini of Shameless, and then you get a full size of Trophy Wife lip pencil. It's 2,380 rupees on Nykaa, and you do get quite some offers these days. When it initially launched, they didn't have offer, but yes, if you purchase certain amount, then you get free products of Huda Beauty. That's how I bought this one, and I got one of the liquid lipstick mini free. But yeah, coming to the packaging, it's so cute. It comes in this tin packaging, which is so pretty. It comes in this pretty pink packaging, and at the back side you have all the details of the shade name, ingredients, everything. So this actually, it says you fill in your lips and allow to set, and then you apply strobe lips on top of it. You can line your lips with these lip liners. You get these 3 products in it. How cute is the packaging? This is the liquid lipstick, lip strobe, and the lip pencil full size. The mini liquid lipstick, which is of 1.9 ml. The full size liquid lipstick is 5 ml, and then you get the lip contour lip strobe of 2 ml, and then you get full size lip contour of 1.2 grams. This is the full size liquid strobe, and this is the one you get in this kit. So this is the mini one, this is the full size. The full size is of 4 ml, and you get around 2 ml of this, so which is exactly half of what you get in full size, which is a good deal because the full size is of 1600 rupees. Stick which you get here, the full size is this size, and this is a mini. You get 5 ml of lipstick, liquid lipstick. In this you get around 1.9, which is around less than half of this product in this. And the lip contour you get is a full size, which is 1.2 grams, which is good. The lip contour itself is 1495 rupees. Strobe is of 1600 rupees, the full size. Because we have exactly half of it, so it's like 800 rupees. And then the liquid lipstick, 1825 rupees for the full size, and this is nearly half of it, so I can say 900, but again it's little less, so I would say 800. I would consider 800 for it. So overall it's like 3095 rupees, but you get this kit for 2380 rupees, so you're still saving like 800 rupees, nearly 750 to 800 rupees when you're buying this kit, which is a good deal. At the same time, you're trying 3 different products instead of investing on one lipstick. Unless you love one liquid lipstick which you really want to get in full size, you can always go and get it. But again, I think it's a wise purchase when you purchase these kind of sets, especially where you have liquid lipsticks and all. I am a lip person, but I still have lots of lipsticks, and it's very hard that I empty one lipstick or lip strobe. So this way I can actually use these very easily, and if I really fell into love in any of the shade which I can't live without, I'll go and purchase a full size, and that's how I am. I have the liquid lipstick is Trophy Wife. Let me swatch that shade. That's how it is. It's a very pinky browny pinky nudie shade, and that's what I have on my lips. I really think it looks good on my skin tone. I was initially skeptical whether it will suit me or not, but it actually suits me. And the next one I have is Shameless, which is the you're shameless. No, I'm not. So which is the lip strobe I have. This is the wand, which is a little different. Oh, it's such a nice glittery lip strobe. Yeah, and then you get a lip contour in Trophy Wife shade, which is so smooth, so nice, perfect precision. I love this lip liner. So those are the 3 you get in this kit. This is the liquid lipstick, lip strobe, and then the lip contour. But let us try and see how it looks together. Let me apply it on top of my lips. I'm very skeptical because it's too shimmery. that's how it looks. But it's not that bad. It doesn't show that goldeny flecks. I was so scared. So this is with the lip gloss. This is the lip liner, on top of it liquid lipstick, and then the lip gloss. You can see the same thing on my lips. It's so shiny, it's so glossy. I love glosses, but I think this is good for party wear. I would not really wear this lip gloss on top of the lipstick. I might wear individually because it really has a good sheen. In person it looks like, you know, it's pinky goldeny glitter flexes. And coming to the formula, I really love the formula of liquid lipstick. It's so comfortable, the longevity, the performance, it's really nice. It actually covers the pigmented lips, especially that's what needed for Indian women. I think it's so perfect on my lips. On any shade I did review on this liquid lipstick individually. I have 4 different shades. I'll put that link somewhere here or in the here, so you can check that. And I really love those shades, and I think those are very perfect for Indian skin tone. They actually cover your pigmented lips. They're so comfortable, pigmented. I have liquid lipstick and lip strobe. I don't even feel like heavy on my lips or I have anything on my lips. It's so comfortable, so nice, and that's what I need, right? I love the highlight. I think it matches my lip color. So the lip strobe is also very nice. It stays for a long time. I did try it twice, and it stays for a couple of hours. It's really nice, unless you want to wipe it out, because it's lip gloss. Obviously it's not matte. It will make your matte lipstick into a little shiny kind of thing. But if you really want only that, you know, a center of your lips to be popping out or shiny, you can apply in between, in the center of the lips. But I did apply it all over my lips today, so I can show you how it looks. I think it's a perfect gift if you want to gift it to someone. I really love this lip liner. It totally took my heart away. I love it. It's so beautiful, so smooth, so comfortable, so nice. You can see these individual swatches, and together they're so nice. I think this is very, very good for Indian skin tone. They do have different shades in this lip kit as well. Trophy Wife, and then you have Bombshell, you have Muse, you have Trendsetter, Snobby, but I think I picked up this one, which is more pinkier in nature. But if you are fairer skin tone, or if you are in different skin tone, you might try out different shades. But I thought these will perfectly suit my skin tone, so I picked it up, and I think I really like it. They complement Indian skin tone a lot, especially these colors. So yeah, that's what my review is on. It makes a perfect gift to someone who loves makeup. And thank you so much, Nykaa, for bringing Huda Beauty on your website. This is so nice, adorable, so comfortable, so nice. So yeah, that's my review. So thank you all. Have a great day.